Balitang Pilipinas muna tayo mga katropa. Batang Gilas pasok sa FIBA World Cup next year. Batang Gilas, pasok na sa FIBA U17 World Cup na gaganapin sa Turkey next year. Tinalo ng Batang Gilas ang Japan sa score na 64-59 sa Doha, Qatar at a-advance sa semi-finals of FIBA U16 Asia, kung saan ay makakaharap naman nila ang Australia. Whoever wins this game mga katropa will face either New Zealand or China in the finals. Nanguna ang Japan as much as 10 points in the first half and was even ahead for the majority of the game. Ngunit nakabawi ang Pilipinas in the third quarter and eventually took the lead toward the end of the period. 46-45, dahil sa three-pointer ni Joaquin. Kurt Velasquez scored 4 consecutive points and siyang nagbigay ng kalamangan sa mga Batang Gilas sa mga huling minuto with a 60-55 score. Overall, pinangunahan ni Alas ang Gilas, filling up the stat sheet with 29 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists, a steal and a block. Nasinundan naman ni Ludo Vice with 11 points at si Kurt Velasquez had 10. For more updates, don't forget to subscribe in my channel. Thank you. God bless.